Maggie and the ferocious beast in Nowhere Land. To Nowhere Land. Come along if you can. Hey ho, come on, let's go to Nowhere Land. With Maggie and the ferocious beast.
Great googly moogly.
Hey, paisanos!
Now on DVD, it's the Super Mario Bros. Super Show, the original Nintendo classic video game brought to life. Now available in a 4 DVD box set. 24 Koopa clobbering episodes, packed with extras. Join Mario and Luigi and their pal Toad on their animated adventures to save Princess Toadstool from the clutches of the evil King Koopa. And get ready for even more antics from the Mushroom Kingdom as Mario and Luigi are brought to life.
That's the way the meatball bounces!
The Super Mario Bros. Super Show, now on DVD.
Punky Brewster is finally on DVD. Each disc is loaded with bonus features, including interviews with cast and crew and episodes of the Saturday morning cartoon It's Punky Brewster. So relive the laughs or enjoy it again through the eyes of your own children. Either way, get ready for a wholesome surge of Punky Brewster on DVD from Shout Factory.